Hi there, Musarat Shah here from Pakistan. This video is about the fifth session's DIY skills assignment, part of international teacher training program on Python with Pictoblox, powered by STEMpedia. So as you see, this is the code area, familiar thing, and this is the terminal to display the code, the result of this code. The first line of code is the print method used to display the title. In this case, this code is about first generate randomly temperatures for 365 days, means for whole year, instead of entering one manually. It is better to create randomly and automatically, and then display it with max and minimum temperatures in the graph. So there is a one display is here on the terminal, where alphabetical or numerical character is displayed. The other is to display this data on the graph, right? So to create or generate random numbers values, this random library is needed, and to display on the graph, this matplot library is needed. So to include this in the program or the code, it is imported with this keyword. Now the another after this, first we will generate the 365 values, and it is stored in the array, or you may call it list. Now this round method will only allow one digit after the decimal, and this random method will generate the values, and having a range from -5 to 45. This is the for loop, and this will executed 365 times to store 365 values in this temperature. After this, maximum temperature is required to be found out. So simple familiar max method is used. It is stored in max temperature. Similarly, minimum and in minimum temperature variable, and from where it will find out from this temperatures list or array. After this maximum day, okay, now what is the day on which that maximum temperature occurs? So to find out this value, we will use this syntax. So where is the values in this temperature list? So after this, it will index it one by one. So this index method is used, and it will compare that maximum value in the index of the temperature list. So the temperature list is based on the temperatures list index is based on 0. It starts from 0. So the values are 365 in number, but it starts in this list from 0. To cater that, 1 is added, because if it starts from 0, but in fact that is the first day, so 1 is added, then it becomes the first day. now the value becomes 1, right? So similarly for the minimum day. Now to display it on the screen, this familiar simple print methods are used to display the temperature report, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. Now maximum temperature on maximum day, minimum temperature on minimum day, it will be fetched from these variables. Now the time comes to display it on the graph. To display it on the graph, days are variable is created. Days list is created, and the list counts from 1 to starts from 1 counts 365, and this range will goes to 365. So this is not the value, it is the range. So here indexing starts from 1, here indexing starts from 0. That is why here 1 was added, so different approach in the different need time. When there is here different approach is needed, here different approach is needed. So it will, and this is for display it on the graph, right? Now this instant is created, PLT. This is the library, this is the function, and this is instant is created. Now this instant, now the graph is a figure, so figure method is required. The size of the figure, values are entered or written for this size of the figure. Now to plot it, now as it is obvious, temperatures were there but days were not in the in this up to this block of code there is no days list. So here the days list was needed, so it is created here. That is why it is used here. Days are there, temperatures are there. Now label, I will later show you what is label, and now the plot is in the line form, and the color is sky blue, right? This plot is for the line. Now I will run the code to display it. Now you see it, this is the graph. Now I will put it aside. Now first I will show you the screen, the terminal. So this was printed, this is printed here. Now what is the value? 44.6 is the maximum on day 51, minus 4.8 centigrade on day 61, right? Okay, now this plot displays this line. Now what is days, where is days, where is temperatures? This is the x-axis for days, the y-axis for temperature, right? Now this label came from here, right? No, sorry, this is not for the, now I will show you. from where it came here. This is the title. Now this is the title. The title code is here, plot title, which is displayed here, 365-day temperature trend. The X label, the x-axis, this is the x-axis, day of the year, and this is the on the y-axis, this is temperature is written. The grid, these broken lines are the grids to visualize accordingly. Now this legend is displayed here. This is the legend. Here three things are written. So this daily temperature label is this here, and this is the sky blue line, right? Now this function, this method is used to display this maximum and minimum value on the graph. For that, scatter method is used. Now to display it, two things are required. One, the maximum day and a maximum temperature, minimum day and minimum temperature in a respective line of code. For this color, for maximum color is blue, for minimum color is for maximum color is red, for minimum color is blue. Label, now this is the label. Now this label comes here, right, and display the values on that respective day, right? This is used for, and to display it, legend method is used, and these are the parameters to pass on, right? Okay, now the legend, after the legend, tight layout. Tight layout means that this is the boundary of the graph. This is if you can see the cursor, this is the boundary of the graph window, and inside the window, this graphical stuff is aligned with the borders. That is why this tight is used. Tight method is used. I hope you got it in a fair way. Thank you.